Hello guys, welcome here. This is Ankesh and today we are going to solve a daily lead code question. Sort the people. Let's start with the question description. The question is saying like you have given an array of strings. Okay. So you have given an array of string names and an array of string array height. Okay. So you have given two array names and height. Okay. And that consists of distinct positive integer both of size and okay, so both the array the names and height will have size n, and the and the element in the height will all are distinct element. Okay, so for sure what I know till now. Okay, so we have heights array and every element in the array is unique. Okay, makes sense. So for each index I, names and I, and height of I denotes the name and height of the people. Okay, so the question is saying you will have ith people. So this index will denote the name of the people or the person and the height of the person. Okay. Makes sense. So at last you have to return the names sorted in descending order by the people sign. Okay. So what I have to do at the end, I have to return the names array, okay, which should be in sorted order, which should be in descending sorted order according to heights. Okay, it does make sense. So for this, the answer will be looking like descending order, which means um larger to smaller. Okay, so it will be like the larger is 18, so the name here is J, so it will have J. Then we have like 13 which will have Ram. Then we have 12 which is Shuk. Then we have Babu. Anyway, shout out to Babu. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. So this will be my final answer. Okay. Makes sense. So what I am noticing here is let this let me just copy paste this example. mm, okay okay so what I am seeing here is at every element, at every index, we can say for every index there will be a person with a name Babu and with their height. Here I have a name with their height. So the simplest way I can think of, okay, so I can use a data structure which will sort names according to their heights. So after thinking, I can simply say we can do this using order map. So we can simply create a order map which will have a key value pair. Here the key will be which will have key value where the key will be height and the value will be here the names which is strings. Okay, so this will be key value pair, and I will put every element in my hash map. So it will be like 11 comma Babu, as I put 13 comma Ram. I will put every element in my. Oh, sorry. I will put every element like 18 will have J and 12 we will have Shuk. Okay. So for sure, what I know here, since it is ordered map for me, I'm using order map. It will be ordered. It will be sorted according to my key, which is here height. Okay, so finally the answer will look like 18 with J, 13 with Ram, 12 with Shok, and 11 with Babu. After that, I will just take them out one by one and store the values in some another array, which I will create of answer which will have string like. So I will store every element. So for this, the time complexity will be for this. The time complexity will be of n log n, because of insertion, and the space complexity will be of n. This is for hash map, or we can say ordered map. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Because we are not taking the time complexity of vector answer, which will be of also of n. So we also not consider this in our space complexity. Okay. So let's see the code for this example. Okay, here is the code. Let's say here what is saying. So I have created a hash map with which contain key value pair, with string and name. So what I'm doing, every element. I'm pushing every element of names and height based on them, since it is sort. The map is in sorted order. It will get sorted, and after that I am just pushing back. Let's say here we have like 18, 17, 16 SBA. So I will just push back every second element, which should be S B A, into the my final answer. So the time complexity like will be of n plus n log n. For this it will be of n, and for this it will be of n log n, since we are sorting, since hiddenly it will be sorting my answer. And also one great point to be discussed, I have using greater of n, because I want this in to be descending order. From descending order, it should be like from larger to smaller. If I just don't use this, it will be in ascending order. Does it make sense? Okay. Okay. So for sure we can solve this question in n log n, and space complexity will be m. This is the best what I can do. Okay. So while moving forward and seeing this question, there is also a way in which I get an answer without using hash map. Okay. So let's see here. So for sure we will know we have an index here 0, 1, 2, 3. Also here I will have 0, 1, 2, 3. Can I say at 0 I have a Babu named person, and at 0 the person age is 11. Can I say there is a relation between names and heights indices? Can I say this? Yes. So for sure, what I know, there will be a relation between indices. What relation? Like here, the name of the person is Ram and the age is 13. Makes sense. So can I do this? Can. For sure, what I know, I can't short this height array. Why? Why? Because it has the height array had relationship with names. So I also need to arrange the names array, hmm, which is not good. Okay. So can I make a relationship between my indices? Now my question is, can I make a relationship between the indices? So what I am saying, can. I have created an array of same size, and here I have put 0, 1, 2, 3. These element in the array is representing my index. Okay. So the question is, if I am able to sort this, let's say, helper array according to my height array, okay, I will get my names indices in sorted order, or I can say in descending order. Okay, it does make sense. It does make sense. So what I am doing here, let's say I have indices like this. So I will like arrange them in such a way at zero index. This is what I have, index of helper array at zero. Okay, I just put my largest element here, which is at index 2. Okay, so my second largest is at index 1. My third largest at x at index 3. My fourth largest at x index 4. Okay. So if I carefully observe and return the answer at index 2 in names, what I have at index 2, I have j. At index 1, what I have in names, I have ram. Okay. So at index 3, what I have shubh. And at index 0, I have bahu. Okay. Can I say this is my final answer? Can I say this? Yes. It is my final answer. So how I will do this? So simply I will create a helper array which will initially have same the indices. I will then I will rearrange the helper array elements according to height array. Can I say this? Okay. So I am not able to sort the height array, but from height array, I am able to sort the from height array. I am able to sort the my helper array. Okay. How will I do this? I can simply use a sort function in which I will sort my helper array. Helper from helper dot begin to helper dot end, and here I will write my comparator. So for comparator, in the comparator, what I need the excess of my height array. Can I use lambda function here? If you don't know, let me explain. The lambda function here can be written uh, like this. So I am returning a lambda function here. The lambda function is will be looked like this. Okay. So here we usually like the compare function. It will have two arguments. Let's say I have int a comma int b. Hmm. Okay. Oh, so here what I need? I need access of my height array. So can I just write end of height? This is what we can say reference function, reference operator, and this is my height array. Okay, okay. So here, can I just use height of A, which simply means, let's say I have here 0, 1, 2, 3 initially. Firstly, I will have A, B will, A here will be 0 and B here will be 1. So I am comparing height of 0 comma height of 1. I'm simply doing this is here, and since I want this is in descending order, I will be using greater than operator and comparing it with this. So this is also a kind of solution what I can use. After getting the final answer, I can just look through this helper array, get the values through names array. Okay, makes sense. So there is another good way to write this same function. And this is one of the way of writing my lambda function, and another way is I am explaining here in my code. Let me just go through my code here. Yeah, okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm creating my helper array. I'm putting all the values here. So like I will have here 0, 1, 2, 3. If I have same both Babu, Joya, all those names, okay. So now I'm sorting my helper function using this comparison. Okay, so to write a for sure whenever you are writing lambda function, make sure you write auto at the front, and name comparison should be written here, like whatever the name written here should be written here also. Okay, after that, this is my lambda function which I have explained. So here this end means I am referencing all those scope which are present here. So here I have the access of names, heights, and all the values I need. Okay, so s1 and s2 will be my two variable. Here I am just comparing them both. Okay, after comparing, I will have something like the helper function will be something like this. Uh, something it will be like 2130. It will be like 2130, and I have names here like first I have Babu at, here I have Jay, here I have Ram, and here I have Shuk. Hmm. So 2130, I will just go to every element of my helper array. Hmm. I'm going to every element of a helper array, and whatever the index presented here, I'm using that same element in my names. Okay, so at 2, at 2, what I have here like J. So I'm putting J. After that, I have 1. So at 1, I have Ram. At 3, I have Shub. So Shub. At 0, I have Babu. So I have used Babu. So this will be my final answer, and the time complexity here will be like same of and log n, because we are using sort function, plus O of n, which is nearly equal to O of n log n, same as above. And space complexity here is also O of n. I have explained this solutions because the lambda function is mostly used in, like we have previously solved a robot collision question. In that case, I have also used lambda function. So here you can see I have written the same code. Let me just run and submit for you. Okay. Okay, you can see it's giving my answer. And if you like my solution, please like the video, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.